Hey guys, this is Mirdominance here. I'm with you with a long-awaited Tohoshinki Tree Live Tour 2014 DVD unboxing. So I never was able to get my hands on this limited edition version of this tour. To be honest, it was because the DVD release was just so expensive. I have no idea why this particular one was so expensive, but I finally was able to buy it used off of HMV Japan for about 2100 yen, which is about what, 23 USD or something. So this is the limited edition DVD version. The Blu-ray edition does not come in limited edition. The Blu-ray only comes in standard, and I wanted all the extras. So it's Tree, just like their other limited edition boxes. They're all about the same type of box, with the extra disc being here, and then the regular disc being in this regular type of case. And you get this little extra mini booklet. So let me flip through it for you. This was the extra mini booklet. And then this. Of course, as usual, Japanese DVDs are region 2, and there are no English subs, as usual. Okay, 2 discs, and another mini booklet. So that's it. So finally, my Tohoshinki DVD collection is complete in terms of live DVDs. I think the only one I don't have is their very first DVD, Heart, Mind, and Soul. I think that's the only DVD I don't have. But yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below, and I will try to answer any questions you have. If you would like to subscribe, please go ahead. I always update at least once a week. I've become more busy recently, so now when I upload becomes, more on a schedule instead of multiple per week. But yeah, till next time.